Aren't you glad he rose? Yes, sir. We still have those who are coming, so that's really why we sing so many songs, to get everybody here. We'd like to stop at this point in our service and acknowledge our visitors who are here. And we're not going to have you say anything, we're not going to call your name at this particular time in the service, but we just want our members to see who are the visitors. So if you're a visitor this morning, would you please stand and remain standing? If you're a visitor this morning, please stand. Amen. Now also, if your membership is not here at Cedar Valley Church of Christ, but you worship somewhere else in the city or across the brotherhood, would you please stand as well? All right. There you go. All right, now this is what we're going to do. We're going to sing a song to you guys, all right? And then we're going to take 2 minutes. Shake somebody's hand this morning that you have never shook hands with before. All right? Find somebody that you're going to say in your immediate area. All right?